Baking can be super fun. That's why us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you some amazing baking DIY projects and some hacks to do. Let's head into it. Number 1. For this one, it is an amazing hack if you don't have a rolling pin or a cookie cutter. For this one, all you're going to need is a glass bottle to use to roll out the dough, and if you don't have a cookie cutter, you can easily use the edge of a glass to cut your cookies out. Number 2, no bake cake. For this one, all you're going to need is a scoop of peanut butter, an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and mix that up until it's this consistency. Then, using 2 cups of whipped cream, you can place it in and mix that as well. Once it's a smooth consistency, place some of it into a cake mold and use some chocolate chip cookies to place it on the smoothed surface. Then, use another layer and do the same thing. You can add anything you want in between it. We chose some M&Ms and chocolate chips. Then, when you're done as many layers as you'd like, chill it for about 30 minutes. Once you're done, you can take the cake mold off and you have an amazing cake. You can decorate it however you'd like. Number 3, no mess whisking. If you have trouble with your electric mixer getting the cake batter everywhere, all you need to do is get a paper plate and cut 2 holes into the middle of it. Get your whisk attachments and place them through the holes and then attach them to the electric mixer. That way, when you mix the bowl, you will not get any batter anywhere. Number 4, perfectly frosting your cupcakes even quicker. For this one, fill your bowl with the icing that you're going to be using. We used marshmallow cream to top our cupcakes. Now, all you have to do is grab your cupcakes and dip them into the icing. That way, it'll come out perfect every time, without having to use a knife or piping bag. Number 5, baking some banana pancakes. For this one, you're going to need 2 bananas and mash them up into a bowl with a fork. Add 2 eggs and mix it all together. Then, on a hot pan, pour approximately 1 tablespoon of the batter that you've just made. Once it starts bubbling, you can flip it and you will have an amazing banana pancake. You can top it with some chocolate syrup and give banana sides as well. Number 6, fried chocolate-covered strawberries. You're first going to get some strawberries and take the leaves off. Place some wooden dowels inside of them and cover them in some melted chocolate. Place them on a pan and freeze them for about 45 minutes. While you're waiting on that, mix a cup of pancake mix and a cup of water in a bowl. Then, once the strawberries are all frozen, place them into this mix and fry them. Once you're done, you'll have an amazing and unique dessert. You can cover it with some powdered sugar if you'd like. Number 7, eggshell hack. We all know the troubles of getting eggshells whenever you're baking something inside your bowl. All you need to do is get a bowl of water and dip your finger inside. Once you place your finger onto the eggshell, it'll easily come out. Number 8, donut cupcakes. For this one, you're first going to get some aluminum foil and roll it around your finger like so. Place it into all of the compartments that you're going to put your cake batter in, and then you can use a piping bag to put the cake batter around. Then, bake your cupcakes for the specified amount of time, and once they're all done and cooled, use a piping bag to place pink icing all over the top of it. Once you're done that, you can place some sprinkles on top and you have yourself some donut cupcakes. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!